this short demonstration of the Binocular Vision Analyzer. The Binocular Vision Analyzer is a software system for analysing ocular motility. It incorporates a fully featured HESS screen test and a field of binocular single vision test. The first version of the software was created in the late 1990s and subject to a clinical evaluation in conjunction with orthoptists and ophthalmologists at Moorfields. Versions of the software are used in hundreds of clinics worldwide. The software will run on any PC running Windows 7 or later. It will work on computers with a single screen, however it's much easier to use with a dual screen system. The size of the test screen determines the size of the oculomotor field that can be assessed. We recommend a minimum screen size of 24 inches. However, in order to assess the same field area as a conventional HESS or Lee screen, a 48-inch TV or larger is required. It's also advised that a chin and headrest is used to prevent the patient moving their head during the test. Thomson Software Solutions can provide a complete solution, including a 49-inch TV, a bespoke instrument table or wall mounting unit, a headrest, and a touch-sensitive all-in-one PC. The system is accessible to those in wheelchairs and can be wheeled between rooms. Before running the test for the first time, a simple size calibration must be performed. The calibration screen is shown by clicking on Calibrate. The horizontal and vertical visible area of the screen is then entered along with the viewing distance. The calibration screen will automatically adjust to show the size of the field that can be measured. Before conducting a test, the patient's name must be added to the database. Compulsory fields are marked with an asterisk. The patient's name will then be added to the top list. To perform a HESS test, click on the HESS button in the toolbar. The name of the screener or orthoptist is chosen, then the stimulus type is selected. The normal HESS test uses circles. However, a butterfly and flower stimulus can be used by selecting cartoon. To measure torsion in each direction of gaze, select the bar stimulus. Either a 9-point or a full 25-point test can be conducted by selecting the corresponding test type. If test flanks is selected, 6 extra points at the horizontal extremities are tested. Verbal instructions for the patient may be played by clicking on Instruct 1 through to Instruct 4. In this demonstration, we're using a dual screen setup. This means that the orthoptist views a control screen while the patient views the test screen. The HESS test must be conducted in a dark room. The patient is instructed to put on the red and green goggles and keep their head still throughout the test and position the small circle so that it appears to be centered in the larger circle. As the eyes are dissociated, any deviation between the position of the larger and smaller circles is a direct measurement of the deviation in that direction of gaze. The test is repeated for each direction of gaze. If the torsion test is selected, a single bar has to be positioned between two parallel bars. The orientation of the central bar can be changed using the mouse wheel so that it appears to be parallel to the two bars. This allows torsion to be measured with a resolution of 1 degree in each direction of gaze. The colour of the small and large circles is then swapped so that the other eye is fixing. The HESS test results are then automatically displayed on the screen. You can zoom in on the display by clicking on it or using the zoom button. And the size of the deviation in each direction of gaze can be shown by selecting amplitudes. Multiple results can be overlaid to examine any changes in motility over time. And the report may be printed if a printer is attached. Alternatively, a PDF of the report can be generated by clicking on PDF. This may be saved on a shared drive or attached to an electronic medical record. To conduct a field of binocular single vision test, click on FBSV in the toolbar. The patient is instructed to keep their head still and to watch the dot and report if it goes doubled as it's moved outwards from the centre of the screen. The size and the colour of the dot can be varied from the control screen. To automatically scroll the dot, click on the Scroll button. The speed of the movement can be changed using the Speed scroll bar. If the patient reports that the dot has become doubled, click on Record. The dot will then be moved back towards the centre and scrolled along the next meridian. Alternatively, the spot can be moved manually using the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen. The dot can also be positioned manually by simply clicking on the screen. When the test is complete, click on Save. The field of binocular single vision results will then be automatically displayed. Again, you can zoom in on the results and either print or create a PDF of the report. One final feature of the BV Analyser is the orthoptic report. This provides a quick and easy way to generate an orthoptic report by entering various fields like history, VA and RX, cover test, movements, and binocular vision and diagnosis. This will automatically generate a standardized report which can be printed or saved as a PDF. So I hope that you found this short demonstration useful. Thanks for watching.